Hello from NAB 2018. I'm Mayson Peffer with Glyph Production Technologies. A couple of new things that we want to show you that we have introduced this year. One of them, we manufacture external storage products for professionals. And this is a new 2-drive RAID that we've introduced. So basically 2 3.5-inch drives in a RAID up to 20 terabytes in storage. And you can do RAID 0, 1, or JBOD through this. It's all a hardware RAID, so switchable on the back very easily. The RAID automatically configures itself, and you're up and running. And again, up to 20 terabytes of storage and about 380 megabytes per second in performance, in about the most portable form factor that you can have for a true 2-drive RAID. And over here,
these are just our single atoms. You still get
we're showing some of our atom drives, which are a product that we have released already, but we have some new capacity. So we have a 2 terabyte in our single atom drive, and we have 4 terabyte, so up to 4 terabytes of solid state storage in a small form factor. That's doing actually about 480 megs a second on the single guy and about 860 megabytes per second on the RAID. So you can actually edit 4K and uncompressed video right off a tiny little drive, up to 4 terabytes of capacity that'll fit right in your pocket. Super, super rugged. We're using USB-C connectivity on these. So these are going to be compatible with Thunderbolt 3 and any previous version of USB. So come by the booth, check us out, and hope you enjoy the products.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.